In this video we have listed best water purifier in India. Our first product in list is Aquaguard, and the main features of this product is RO+UV+MF, along with advanced mineral RO+UV+ technology. The storage capacity of 8 liters. UV fail alarm and filter change alerts. TDS controller to retain essential minerals. Second product in our list is Forbes Aquasure, and the main features of this product is the storage capacity of 6 liters, raw water purifier with MTDS and UV, smart energy saving technology, 1-year warranty with free installation. Third product in our list is Pureit Copper+Mineral, and their main features are as follows. Comes with a 7-stage RO+UV+MF purification process to give 100% safe water. Enriches raw water with 99.8% copper with copper charge technology. Adds the right amount of copper to give you the health benefits of copper. Gives option to choose between copper and normal raw water. Fourth product in our list is Pureit Eco Water Saver, and main features of the product is promises to be the highest water saving RO. Can save up to 80 glasses of water as compared to other raw water purifiers. Engineered with a 7-stage RO+UV+MF purification technology. Offers 100% safe drinking water that is free from harmful viruses, bacteria, chemicals, pesticides, and heavy metals. Last product in our list is Maxx RO+UF, and the product features are kills bacteria and viruses with a UV bulb. Removable storage tank with UV filters. The storage capacity of 7 liters. Offers a 1-year warranty on manufacturing defects. For more information visit to www.apolloedoc.co.in.